Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Chrome browsers. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you'll need to do is to simply open the Google Chrome and then just navigate to www.google.com, as you can see right here on the screen. And then after that, just click on to the profile icon in the top right corner of the browser window, so just like right here. And then after that, you'll be able to see this menu right here, and then just simply click the add at the very bottom of it. And then if you wish to connect the profile you are creating with an existing Google account, just simply click sign in, and other, just click continue without an account. And if you're not syncing the new profile with the existing Google account, input a name and choose an avatar for the profile, and select a color scheme for the profile and click done to proceed. And a new browser window will appear associated with the profile you just created. So the profile you have created will now be listed in your other profiles menu on the Google Chrome. To switch between profiles, just simply click the profile icon again in the upper right corner of the Chrome browser window and select the profile you wish to access from the list. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.